Welcome to the Month of Renewal. Last month, we journeyed through the fragrance of reflection. We slowed down, looked inward, and allowed the Holy Spirit to reveal the hidden places of our hearts. We sat in the stillness, catching the scent of His presence in our quietest moments. But reflection was never the destination. It was the preparation. This April, we are stepping out of the mirror and into the light. We are moving from deep reflection to divine renewal. This is the season where the seeds of reflection begin to bloom. Just as Christ emerged from the tomb to bring brand new life to the world, we are embracing the fragrance of resurrection in our own lives. No longer defined by what should have broken us, we are now being carried by the one who restores us. What to expect this month? 30 days of affirmations, daily declarations to renew your mind and align your spirit with the fragrance of Christ. Spiritual refreshing, weekly moments of prayer and worship to wash away the old and make room for the new. A new song. Join us as we lift up a new sound of praise, celebrating the God who covers us in the moments and carries us through the seasons. It's time to breathe in His grace and breathe out His glory. Your season of blooming has arrived. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? Isaiah 43:19. Subscribe and join the journey of renewal.